Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript, which is session 2. In my previous session, I described what is JavaScript, why JavaScript required, and what are the prerequisites and how to run the JavaScript inside our browser and using Visual Studio Code IDE. If you missed that session, I will give the link on I button as well as video description. Please check it out. I strongly recommend before going to this session, please check it out my previous sessions. In this session, we are going to discuss what is JavaScript functions and what are the events of JavaScript. Before starting the session, guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Functions. What is JavaScript function? A JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is executed when something is invoked or called. It means who invoke it? A event is invoked. A function can written like this with a keyword function, then your user defined function name, bracket and your flower bracket. So let's go to Visual Studio and do this function. So I'm using Visual Studio. Here I'm going to create a new file which is a HTML file again, and the file name will be session2.html clear file. For now I'm keeping same. I'm closing this session 1. So if I run this session 2 now, start without debugging. Okay, it's open on. Okay, I'm running now, start without debugging. So it's coming with now my Internet Explorer. So here it's coming in hello world, right? So now this is a simple JavaScript alert I am writing. I can comment this one by adding a double slash. So this will be no use inside my code. Now run, save this, and now run this. So nothing is happened. Let's again run, start debugging. Nothing is happening, right? Because I commented this code. Now thing is that I need to write a code like this if within a function. A function is what? Function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task or specific or similar type of task. We can write 4 or 5 or multiple tasks inside a function. A JavaScript function is executed when something is invoked. So let's go to here. So let's create a function. Let's say my function. Let's say here I am going to call my alert. Now if I am running, start debugging, still my message is not coming. This alert message is not coming. Why? I need to create an event or call this function from a event. The same thing here it is said JavaScript function is executed when something invoke it or call it. Who invoke it? A event invoke it. HTML event are the things that happen to HTML event. HTML element. When JavaScript is used in HTML pages, JavaScript can react on this event. Okay. An HTML event can be something the browser does or something the user do. Like browser does like loading the pages. User do clicking on the button. An HTML page has finished loading. An HTML input has changed. A button is clicked. So these are the event which call a JavaScript function. So let's go to our code. How we can write a body? There is a onload event is there, right? I can straightforward call this onload my function inside this onload. Now save this one file, save, go to browser, save. Now you can see, close the browser, start debugging. So in page onload, body onload, I'm calling this function, right? So this is a event. Also, I can write, I'm just putting here this one as a comment. This is a body onload part. Okay, so I'm keeping as a body onload. Now here I'm going to add a button, submit button. Here we can add on click. The same thing I can return. Now save the application, go to run, start debugging. See submit button, just click it, we get the message. So this is onload is the body event, on click is the button event. Just now I said same thing. Page has finished loading, or button was clicked, or input has changed. Okay, in our coming session we can see how we can implement this kind of event with JavaScript and do fun in our web browser. Guys, I hope you like these sessions. If you do, give me a like, share your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you very much.